We were very concerned about how long patients were waiting for surgery and not having a match with how we allocated our operating room time.
Having been in a position of trying to allocate operating room time based on traditional methods, I've seen lots of problems.
We wanted to come up with a better way of deciding how to allocate the OR time that took the patient's needs first. So FORTA helped us to actually quantify that and look at it in a logical and analytical manner.
FORTA is a methodology that allows you to fairly and transparently allocate the very precious resource of your operating room time at any hospital.
FORTA has been great for me. I've been dreaming about a system like FORTA for many years as a way of scientifically and objectively allocating OR time based on real need.
FORTA takes into account the needs of the patients that are on the wait list, the surgeons, and the time that's required to meet wait time targets, and aids in hospital planning for future service delivery.
Pretty well anywhere that you do a procedure and people have to wait, FORTA can be applied to that.
It can work at a tertiary site, it can work at a community site, so it has the flexibility to service any hospital population.
So it levels the playing field between surgeons because it fairly allocates the time and it focuses the need on the patient.
First of all, FORTA is implemented on a site basis.
Every surgeon has input into the process that allocates the theater time.
FORTA is done at a very, very detailed level. It actually will look at an individual patient level when it comes to wait time performance. It also looks at an individual surgeon level for wait time growth, and every surgeon is treated exactly the same way with exactly the same calculation.
It's that theme of transparency and that theme of being data-driven.
So we now have all our major hospitals in Vancouver on the FORTA system. FORTA really helps us be accountable to the Ministry of Health and to the public.
At the health authority level, it allows us to measure accurately and compare sites in terms of resource allocation and utilization and determine where we need to spend the money.
Vancouver Coastal Health Authority that had the FORTA methodology in place was very fortunate to get some targeted money, millions of dollars, to help do additional surgeries because we were able to justify what our need was based on the FORTA data.
It's a transparent system so that all the stakeholders involved can understand how the time allocation is calculated and everyone can feel comfortable with the system.